Hi, in this video we will show you how to install a TV mount on the wall. For this installation we will use a full motion, 2-stud TV mount on a wood stud drywall. This video does not replace the assembly instructions provided with the product and are available on Barkan's website at www.barkanmounts.com. Before we begin the installation process, we need to make sure that all of the parts and hardware exist. We spread all of the parts out on the table and compare them to the list in the assembly instructions. First, we connect the 4 adapters to the TV plate. Then we connect the TV plate with the adapters to the back of the TV, according to the connection hole pattern. We drill the center point of the stud with the drill bit called for in the instructions. We connect the mount to the wall using the included screws and perform a safety test. With the help of an additional person we install the TV on the mount. Make sure that the TV plate slots are positioned properly on the 2 small bent parts. We connect the bolts on both sides of the TV, to lock it and tighten the tilting mechanism. For the perfect point of view, we make the final small adjustments of leveling the TV, as well as rotating it and tilting it to the right angle. Thank you for watching. We hope you will enjoy your Barkan TV mount.